This is Madison, guys. YouTube. Discover, and I made it called, and it's marbly and yellow.
Closet.
So,
I gotta get all my shit out of there soon. So I won't have to wake them up or bother them every time I need clothes. I had to go in that ugly shirt today.
it is really, you guys, look. Just a second.
Oh, they already good job.
Okay.
That's right.
In my mouth, I just put my lip and stretch it because I'm using this hand to do the camera and this hand to do the front. And
Where's Allie?
she had to stay. That's my grandma. She wanted to because Haley and Gabby were there.
So much like her being there. Well, as soon as you're in this place, she ain't gonna be standing there. Allie, I don't like her being over there running dudes.
And
I had a bad doctor. Allie, my granddaughter. I don't like you over there running boys.
And so that's my
Do they
son.
bother y'all? Yeah, they do.
I'm trying.
Do they crush on y'all?
No. And this
Allie?
is my son. No.
Promise me?
Yes.
Because I'll
And
break their fucking neck.
it
I mean, I hate
is
to say it like that.
It
It don't
is
mean it ugly to you.
really
It's mean
good,
I will
but
break
this is
their
my
fucking
son.
neck.
Ah, you
The boys over
guys.
there. They bother Allie.